Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the page layout in MS Word. So for that you have to go to the insert. Inside that you can see here a page layout. So this page layout uh, has three options, that is you can insert a cover page, blank page and the page break. So first we will see cover page. Now I have one document over here and I want some cover page for that document. So wherever I want a cover page, just click over there, click on the cover page, and here you can see multiple options are there. If I select any of the option, it will get inserted in my document. Now whichever changes I want to do, I can make it like MS word I want to type over here. Then I want to type the year 2020. Now next thing is what if I want to save this as my cover page for the next use, then you can just click over here, save the selection to the cover page gallery. Just save it, give it a name, MS Word, like this, and click OK. Once you click OK, if you go again in a cover page, you can find your own customized cover page from here. So you can use that customized cover page anywhere you want. So this way you can insert a cover page. So now if you want to remove the cover page from your document, just click over here, click on the remove current page and it will get removed. Now next thing, if you want to remove the cover page which you have stored in your gallery, then just right click on it, then here organize and delete. The MS Word cover page is selected over here. Just click delete, yes, and close. Now you can see whichever cover page you have stored is just removed from the gallery. This way you can insert a cover page in your document. Next one is the blank page. So if you want to put some blank page in between your document, or then you have to just click on that portion and click on the blank page, and you can see one blank page is added over here in between the two pages. Next one is the page break. So if you want to make a this paragraph on the next page or any other page, just click over here, click on the page break, and it will get shifted to the next page. So this way you can insert a page break. And if you want to insert a blank page, you have to just click on the blank page, it will insert a blank page in between the two pages. So in this video what we have learned: how to insert the cover page, how to remove it, how to customize it, and how to save it, then how to insert the blank page, and how to insert the page break. Thank you.